Everywhere we get to, we hear discussions about COVID-19, COVID-19, COVID-19. When you are on the streets walking, they discuss COVID-19. When you go to the market, they discuss COVID-19. When you are in the vehicle, they discuss COVID-19. When you are in your house, they discuss COVID-19. When you phone your friends, they discuss COVID-19. When you listen to radio, they discuss COVID-19. COVID-19 has now become world famous discussion. But there is a critical topic we totally excluded from our conversations and discussions. And COVID-19 can't stop us. We must start discussing about the topic discrimination. Discrimination against the deaf and their community. Good day, beautiful and handsome people. Happy New Month to everyone. My name is Joshua. Let me make an analogy between the hearing community and the deaf community. I'm a hearing person. I discuss, interact, and communicate with the hearing and the deaf. For my interactions, I discovered that the hearing folks see the deaf and their community as inferior set of people, which is totally wrong. The hearing folks believes in the superiority of themselves and they feel the deaf are inferior. This is where discrimination pops up. Let me share this story. A deaf guy was admitted to a school and he was engulfed with excitement, joy, and happiness. He got his bag ready and prepared for school. We all know how we sit in rows in the classroom. There's a row next to the deaf guy, which a hearing guy sat on. Immediately, the hearing folk discovered the guy happens to be a deaf. He tore a sheet of paper and he wrote, "I don't like deaf. My parents once told me in the past not to associate with the deaf, not to make friends with the deaf because they are inferior." How do you think the deaf guy would feel on his first day in school? The words used by the hearing folk would make him feel hurt, discriminated against, abandoned, and heartbroken. When we accept the fact that the deaf are the same and equal with the hearing folks, we will see a rapid improvement and growth in our society. When the hearing folks learn sign language, it will help to mitigate discrimination against the deaf. I will be organizing 1 month free webinar sign language class for anyone who is interested and zealous in learning sign language. Please send an email to joshualoba12@gmail.com or contact 081 36 44 9275 on WhatsApp. Thanks.